Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is March 25th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. LiteLLM supply chain breach. ChatGPT ads in chat shopping. Claude Auto Mode decides. OpenAI pushes ChatGPT into choice screens. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. LiteLLM, an open-source proxy for AI model APIs, was distributed on PyPI with malware in versions 1.82.7 and 1.82.8, discovered on the 24th of March, 2026. The malicious package steals SSH keys, cloud credentials, database passwords, and Kubernetes configurations, encrypts them and sends them to a remote server, spreads in Kubernetes clusters, and installs backdoors. The compromise surfaced when the package crashed the Cursor code editor, and the LiteLLM author was likely fully compromised. Affected users should immediately change all access credentials. NVIDIA's Jim Fan called the incident nightmare material, warning infected files can manipulate AI agents and advocating leaner dependencies and de-vibing protection. ChatGPT will show products with images, prices, and side-by-side comparison tables directly in chat. Users can upload photos to find similar items and refine results in conversation. OpenAI says the rollout starts this week for all users, including the free tier and Go, Plus, and Pro. It uses the Agentic Commerce Protocol, ACP, so merchants can supply catalogs. Major chains such as Target, Sephora, Nordstrom, Lowe's, Best Buy, The Home Depot, and Wayfair are integrated, and Shopify merchants are connected automatically. OpenAI will not handle checkout. Users are directed to merchants' own payment flows. It remains unclear how ChatGPT will pick recommendations, or whether integrated sellers will be favored.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy, but does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. Anthropic released an auto mode for Claude, now in research preview, that lets the assistant decide which developer actions are safe to run without human approval. The system applies AI safeguards to review each action, blocking risky behavior and prompt injection, while allowing safe steps to proceed automatically. It adds a safety layer to Claude Code's dangerously skip permissions approach and follows a wider industry move toward autonomous coding tools. Anthropic has not disclosed the criteria it uses to judge safety. Auto Mode will roll out to enterprise and API users in the coming days, works only with Claude Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.6, and is recommended for use in isolated sandboxed environments. OpenAI is urging the UK Competition and Markets Authority to require that ChatGPT be included as an alternative on Android phones and in the Chrome browser choice screens. The CMA previously granted Google strategic market status in search and proposed that users be regularly offered alternatives. OpenAI argues that AI chatbots with web search should count as search engines because users increasingly use them. ChatGPT has offered web search since 2024 and draws about 900 million weekly users. Google called the proposed pop-ups disruptive, even as its search revenue grew 16% to $63 billion, and its Gemini system expands competition with ChatGPT. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.